So after many months of use of our new air fryer toaster oven combo, is this something we're still really using? Well, the answer is yes, we're kind of obsessed. So it's not just for the standard toast, but it does make great toast. I usually go down, it has it set at 4, I go down to 3 minutes. It's perfect toast for me. So you can totally customize it however you want. It has kind of preset options so you can choose what you want and how much, but we are finding that even leftover pizza, oh my gosh, it is better almost than fresh. I'm finding that I'm using this even more than my microwave because it's just so functional and versatile. This is definitely a win in our book. Even leftover tacos, my favorite. Definitely recommend if you're needing a toaster oven combo. I think you'll find so many uses for it as well.